Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll all the way down to access About Tablet section located at the bottom. Then click on Edit under Current Device Name and type in wherever you wish to. In my case, Sunny. When you finished, just click on Done. And as you can see, after that, name of my device has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!